Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing good. So today is another simple DIY project. I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful headband. Come along guys. These are the pieces of fabric that we need. This measures 11.5 inches by 3 inches. These two, each of them measures 18.5 inches by 7 inches. In addition, you also need a piece of elastic that is about 6 inches. So the first thing we are going to do is to fold this fabric right side over each other. Fold it this way. Okay, and then you sew straight down. After sewing everything straight down, turn it inside out. After turning it inside out, lay everything flat on the table such that the seam allowance is centralized. So it is on top and it is at the center, at the middle. Can you see it? This is the seam allowance. It is not advisable that you iron it. Don't iron your fabric because we need that puffy effect. If you iron it, it is going to lay flat. So the next thing we are going to do is to work on this small piece. So you're going to take your safety pin and your elastic and then you put it through the small one. Ensure that the seam allowance is still centralized. You're going to come to one end here and then you stitch it down. Come to the other end as well and you stitch it down. So after stitching it down, this is what I have. You see this ruffles effect at the back. Okay, so now you're going to put one piece aside and then we work on one piece. So what you're going to do is this. Fold your fabric in half this way. Take this piece, put it over it this way. Just put it in the middle. Use the remaining fabric on either side to cover it up. 1, 2, and then you stitch it down. Okay, so you're going to bring the second piece of fabric. The seam allowance is still up, facing up. Put it through this one. Fold it in half. So after folding it in half, then you pull it to the other side like this. You bring this elastic, this piece, you put it here in the middle. Just like we did for this part, put it in the middle, fold this over it. Okay, the remaining fabric on the left and on the right, you fold it over. Ensure that the ruffles are not in your way while you are doing it. 1 and 2. You sew it straight down. Okay, so there you go, I've sewn it. So the next thing you're going to do is just to pull the fabric to cover here. Meanwhile, what you can do is to cut the excess that you have here. So you just pull it this way and then you pull this one like this as well. So here you go, this is your hairband. You see how beautiful it is? So if this is too wide for you, just in case you want to make it for a child, you can reduce the length. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If it has been helpful, please drop your comments, like and share this video, and also ask your questions if you do not understand. Alright, till we see you again next time, take care of yourself. Bye.